Hi, I'm Jacob with National Fleet Products, and today we're going to take a look at a 1972 Norton Commando motorcycle as well as a 3-section loading ramp. Let's check it out. As you can see, our industry-leading external swivel allows free and clear access, and you can see this beautiful bike up in here. This was brought to us today by Ben Schmidt with Schmidt Law Firm in Kansas City. This bike is like I mentioned, a 1972 Commando 750. It just has the most beautiful blue paint on it. It is immaculate. Now Ben came to us from Kansas City looking for a ramp that he could safely get his prize machine in and out of without scraping, as well as just to be able to feel confident while loading and unloading. This 3-section loading ramp with his standard roof Mercedes Sprinter will be the ideal ramp solution for his needs. Let me show you how. Just like that. This is a spring-assisted loading ramp. The spring is contained in that blue cylinder on the side. It makes this ramp super easy to both deploy and stow. This 3-section ramp gives us a 47-inch free and clear with 126 inches overall in length. This model happens to have an 880-pound capacity, but we can provide ramps with up to a 3,300-pound capacity. Let me show you how easy this is to store. Alright, just like that, we're ready to go riding. Again, I'll link a video here at the end showing Ben Schmidt with Schmidt Law Firm riding that bike up and in for all you guys' viewing pleasure. Please drop us a note in the comments if you have any questions. Again, I'm Jacob with National Fleet Products. Thanks for watching.